Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make poster in Canva application. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Canva application in your mobile device. Once you are here, try to find any of a new design by clicking on the plus sign on the bottom right. In here, select more photos. Now, choose any of your photos in your gallery. Now the template should be poster 42 times 59.4 cm. Click on that option over here. You can also search for poster templates over at Canva. Make sure you choose the ones that are free. If not, you can also subscribe to Canva Pro. But in this case, we're choosing this free template. And then go ahead and edit it as much as you want. Once you are satisfied, you can easily resize almost everything over here. You can give it an animation or transparency, depending on what you like. Now, click on the arrow button that says download or save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.